In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Meta Business Suite back to Facebook Business Manager. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Begin by opening your internet browser and entering facebook.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to Facebook's homepage, where you can proceed with the transformation of your business tools. Once you have reached the Facebook homepage, your next task is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is typically located in a prominent area of the page. Clicking on this button initiates the sign-in process. If you are already logged in, you may simply refresh your page. However, in most cases, entering your credentials is required. Completing the login process is essential for a secure transition and to ensure that the process applies specifically to your account settings. After successfully signing in, locate your profile area. This is usually represented either by a small profile icon or your display picture, which is often positioned in the upper right corner of the Facebook interface. When you click on your profile, a menu will appear giving you access to various personal and page-related settings. The profile area is a gateway to selecting the specific page on which you want to perform the changes. Now it is time to select your page from the options available. This step allows you to pinpoint which business page will undergo the change from Meta Business Suite back to Facebook Business Manager. Carefully choose the page relevant to your business operations, ensuring that any modifications only affect the intended account. Taking the time to verify that you have selected the correct page can prevent any inadvertent changes to the wrong business profile. With the appropriate page selected, proceed by clicking on the Meta Business Suite option. This selection brings you to the dashboard where your current business tools and settings reside. Although you are working within the Meta Business Suite, the objective of this tutorial is to transition back to Facebook Business Manager. In the next part of the process, you will find the Help section inside the suite, which is designed to provide guidance and support for various functionalities. After entering the Meta Business Suite environment, locate the Help section. This is where you will gain further assistance on how to navigate the conversion settings. Clicking on Help will reveal additional options that are integral to finalizing the transition process. Use this opportunity to ensure that you are following the correct steps as you proceed with the change. The final step in this tutorial is to click on the option that directs you to Facebook Business Manager. By selecting this option, you initiate the final transfer of your business settings from Meta Business Suite back into the more traditional framework of Facebook Business Manager. The conversion should then proceed smoothly, and any subsequent interactions with your business tools will reflect the changes that you have just executed. Following these clear and concise steps allows you to confidently navigate your way from Meta Business Suite back to Facebook Business Manager. This process ensures that you maintain control over your business settings and continue to harness the full capabilities of Facebook Business Manager for your account management needs. Enjoy a smoother and more familiar experience managing your business in the Facebook ecosystem.